Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to remove background in Adobe Illustrator. Go to File and select Place. Choose the image that you want to make transparent and place it on canvas. With the image selected, go to Window and select Image Trace to open Image Trace panel. In the Image Trace panel, choose Color option. Set number of colors to 30 or adjust as needed. Optionally, you can click on Advanced option to fine-tune settings. Click on Trace button. After tracing, go to Object and choose Expand. Use Direct Selection tool, right arrow, to select area you want to remove. Press Delete key to remove selected areas. Zoom in and use Direction Selection tool to refine the edges and remove any remaining unwanted elements. And once you are satisfied, you can save your artwork or use any project. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.